When doing practices at home, we're always using varying techniques in order to try to get the best possible outcome. So today I'm going to be using some Worcestershire sauce here to first marinate the steak. I'm going to turn it over on the back side and just take my brush and just brush it on. Remembering to brush on the sides also. And this is just plain old Worcestershire sauce, the W sauce. I'm going to let that sit on there for at least 30-45 minutes before I add the seasonings. I've got the rubs that I'm going to be using on the steak. I've got some umami powder, got double secret steak seasoning, got my own secret steak seasoning, and paprika. And paprika is primarily just for color. I'm going to start with the umami powder. And I'm just going to dust that over the top. Doesn't take much. On the sides. Give it a little pat in. And that Worcestershire sauce is acting as a binder. Then I'm going to move over to the double secret steak seasoning. We'll pat that in. Then we'll move to my secret steak blend. Then we'll move on to the paprika for color. Now some people might use smoked paprika. I'm not a particular fan of smoked paprika. Gotta be careful how much I put on there too. But I do want it to be primarily for color. Then I'm going to let that set 30-45 minutes prior to cooking.